Ladies and gentlemen, step right up. Children of all ages, welcome to AlamoFireworks number 71. We got everything all set up here, guys. Lots of really nice stuff this year. Lots of big stuff. Big assortments. Bunch of littles for the kids as usual. These things are really cool. The Mad Bulls, they're poppers like the Pop Pops, but they actually look more like black cats, and they're just as loud as black cats. Go to AlamoFireworks.com, print out your coupons, go grab you a issue of the San Antonio Express News. Take advantage of those and come on down and see us, guys, on Montgomery Drive at El Valle Auto. See you soon. Look at this guy working hard. Hardly working.